Hello. Today I'm going to be doing a product review for you on a Dyson AM09 hot and cool bladeless fan and heater with jet force in blue. I bought it for $312.45 from QVC and it just arrived today. I'm going to show you the remote. It's a small remote. Has the cool and hot button. It has the jet force button, timer button, and oscillation button. I bought this from QVC. Like I said, I like to buy things from QVC. It is easy for me because they just come to my front door. I don't have to haul them home. So let's turn this on and see what it does. Right now, I have it on level 10 on cold. Now, it's cool, not cold, but cool. Let's try the heater. Now, the heater, you have to press down the red button until it gets to the right temperature you want it. And it'll take a few minutes for the remote to catch up with the unit for the fan to kick on fully. There it goes. It's a warm heat, not a hot heat, but a warm heat. So it's not going to be making you sweat or anything like that, which is nice. Now let's try the oscillation button. It's only oscillating that one direction. Now let's try the jet force button. And you should always remember to have the remote pointed directly at the unit. I am seeing no difference right now. Earlier there was a little jet force, but I am not feeling any jet force hardly at all. Going back to cooled. And not all the time does this remote work either. And it takes a few minutes between the hot and cold mode for it to either to cool down or warm up. As you can hear, again, this is very loud. You can imagine if this was in your bedroom and you're trying to sleep, this would be hard to sleep with. Also, it has a timer. The timer goes from anything from 45 minutes to 9 hours. Let's see how jet force works on the cool function. Not feeling, again, any difference with the jet force on. The jet force is supposed to be a concentration of air coming right at you. I'm not really feeling that at all. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. The unit itself is plastic. Has no blades, yes, but it's plastic. It also comes with this base that's not attached to it. In the videos on QVC, it shows this already attached. They don't show you how to put it on. I guess that's something you have to figure out when you get it home. I wish they would show you how to put this on because I'm having a hard time. See the little grooves in the back? I'm having a hard time trying to figure out how to put that on. So, is this a good value for me at $312.45? No. I've got a remote control that's not really working. It's not oscillating on both sides, from side to side on both directions. The jet force is not really, again, working like it should. This is going to be going back to QVC. I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a like and hit subscribe. And I will be bringing some other videos up soon. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Bye.